I know Jesus said, when you're slapped on this cheek, turn over to the other cheek so that somebody will slap you again. The groom's sister slapped the bridesmaid and dragged the bag of money from her. I was the bridesmaid that was slapped. It's considered maturity when you ignore things like this and just walk out quietly. Because I don't get, in this Nigeria, you walk up to somebody and hit them. In this country where we say on a normal, the god of war, Aries himself, is supposed to pick the next heir from. I'd slap her back and take the money and walk out. Yo, crazy things are happening in this country that we are in. When you think you've seen it all and nothing else can shake you. I laugh in Hispanic. Anyways, allow me to share some crazy wedding experiences with you. All right, so the first story we have today is a little bit gang. All right, so I was at a wedding and the groom's sister walked up to one of the bridesmaids who was picking up the money being sprayed on the couple. So while she was doing that, she demanded that the girl picking up the money should hand over all the money that had been sprayed to her. Now, the bridesmaid said no, because she was under strict instructions not to do so. Right there on the dance floor, the groom's sister slapped the bridesmaid and dragged the bag of money from her. I was the bridesmaid that was slapped. Oh, wow. So this is a first-hand story. My Jesus Christ. Guys, like a full-fledged adult attends a wedding for her friend, as in like she's a bridesmaid, and she attends her friend's party, helping her friend to pick up money, and then her friend's husband's sister, whatever, walks up to her because she feels she's an auntie or some elderly person and hits her on the face. My Jesus Christ. Anyways, let's delve into the comments first of all. Let's know what people have to say about this drama, because me, don't worry, you hear my opinion later. Okay, so the first comment I have here, the person says, I'd slap her back and take the money and walk out. This is like a very common reaction. I think a lot of people would definitely be tempted to slap back. It's now left for you to decide to have self-control or not. So this first comment that he will slap back and take the money and walk out, I'm pretty sure a lot of people will work with this. And the second one says, I don't want violence, so I won't fight her. I'll take my dignity and go. Dignity. Oh, well, okay. Some people are nice. That works. Another comment says, I think the groom's sister is retarded. Of course, because why else? Why else would you walk up to a grown-ass lady and decide to lift your hand and hit her? Is something wrong with you? Anyways, it's just crazy. For me personally, I think people are mannerless. But I still feel like even though you're mannerless, they should be at some point, like they should be where you should draw the line of your mannerlessness. Because how do you do that in a wedding? Because she said, no, I am under strict instructions to not do this and that. And then you lift your hand and hit a woman that should even be getting married as well. Anyways, let's not even go into that. So another comment here says, I don't support the sister slapping the bridesmaid. She's obeying the bride's rule of not giving anybody the money. And normally, the money belongs to the bride based on tradition. Okay, from the name I'm looking at here, this is an Igbo person commenting. And I didn't even know that in Igbo community, the money belongs to the bride. Okay, that's interesting. I guess I'm going to cash out big on my big day. Don't mind me. Okay, so that's his own take on the situation. All right, I have another comment here. It says, well, for me, I try to be as calm as possible, keep away from her because retaliating wouldn't be wise, and probably let those who gave the instruction caution the groom's sister. So a lot of people are like, some people feel like being nice concerning the entire situation. Of course you should be nice. It's considered maturity when you ignore things like this and just walk out quietly. But why I wouldn't vouch for that, like why I wouldn't support the whole quiet response, is because most of the times when you give off the impression that you're a calm person, that you're a mature person, people will run over you. they tend to take advantage of that so-called quiet personality of yours. And believe you me, this stuff is most likely to happen again. It's most likely to repeat itself. Somebody will be tempted to walk all over you again because they believe that you're going to be quiet about it. They believe you're going to like just quietly take your dignity and go. So I'm with Team Violence, so on a more serious note. So I have another comment here, and it says, I would just overlook her foolishness for peace sake because I wouldn't want to cause any scenes and upset the bride on her big day. Such a considerate friend. Aww. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Okay, another one here says, oh God, I know Sabi fight too, but I will make sure I break her head first. Blood go flow. Now we're talking. Somebody's finally speaking my language. She says, I don't want to know who the instructions came from, but even if she's the one that gave the instructions, and then she comes back to take it, I won't give it to her. She has no right whatsoever to hit me across the face. Fights, violence. I mean, that's actually the reaction I'm supposed to be getting from this story. I'm supposed to be getting violent vibes. Violence. Like, that's how it should be. Because I don't get, in this Nigeria, you walk up to somebody and hit them. In this country where we say on a normal, the god of war, Ares himself, is supposed to pick the next heir from, you now come here and you're slapping people randomly. Anything you see, you collect. On a more serious note, I don't think it's cool because you feel like you're older than someone and then you walk up to them and you think you can behave anyhow because you're an elder, in quotes. Elder. Elder who? Elder what? Eldorado. It's not the elder. Anyways, another person says, I won't fight back. I'll just smile and walk out with the bag of money. You're smiling. Somebody slap you and you're smiling. I know Jesus said, when you're slapped on this cheek, turn over to the other cheek so that somebody will slap you again. But I do recall somewhere in the Bible that it was the same Jesus who created a wonderful whip and slapped some people, flogged some people out of the temple. Look, I believe it's not every time that you should swallow rubbish. Guy, this is a wedding ceremony. You're probably in your full outfit as a bridesmaid, your makeup, your frontal, your whatever, your earrings, looking all glam. Some men are already looking at you like, oh, that's a very fine lady, and they're planning on how they're going to walk up to you later and raise you up. Then they'll not come and see one auntie like that, come and do you pa on top of your head. Oh, Jesus Christ of my Father, my Lord. All right, let's see some other comments that we have here concerning the situation. Another comment says, I will slap back. Slap at angle 278 degrees. Why did you not complete it to 360? I don't understand. And collect the money bag there and then. Instruction, no instruction. And this is team violence. I like violence. No, I don't like violence. Don't get me wrong. But in this kind of situation, sometimes, we just need to shun rubbish. It's very necessary. Okay. For someone like me, I won't fight her, but I won't let her go with the bag of money either. So apparently, some people are on the side of, oh, just be nice, just walk away, leave the scene, it's not worth it. While some people are on the side of, lie, I will see this to the very end. For me, it's not because I'm disrespectful. I will slap back. No, for real. If you slap me, I'll slap you back. But it's not going to be because I don't have respect or my parents didn't train me well. It's going to be as a result of reflex. Because yes, I believe I am mature. I'm nice. I am whatnot. I'm classy and whatnot. But the classiness, the whole bougie whateverness, stops the moment you touch my body. Because why? I don't understand. Why are you coming close, nigga? Why are you coming close? Why do you want to hit me? Like, do I know you? Do I freaking know you? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me. So you can't just walk up to me and hit me. I won't even let you hit me. But if at all you manage and you get close to my body enough to hit me, I will hit you back. Not because I'm not raised right, but because it's reflex. My hand just moves whenever it doesn't like rubbish. You understand? It's a response from the body that you've hit. So I will hit you back and apologize afterwards if it requires me to do so. I'd say, of course, I'm sorry, it's the work of the devil, But have I slapped you? Yes, I did. Okay, so like that's the much comments that we have for this particular story. I mean, it's crazy. Just imagine you went for a wedding as a fine girl and one auntie just walks up to you and slaps you. Seriously, what would you do? What would you do for it? You can leave your comments in the comment section. Leave your opinion in the comment section. If you have experienced something as crazy as this before as well, or something even worse, you can also share your own experiences. I mean, like this country, crazy, crazy, crazy things happen every day. You will not believe it. Like, I know this story almost sounds bizarre, but yes, it's happening and people are witnessing it. So go for a wedding today. Who knows? You might get yourself a partner, or get yourself some laughter, or get none of the above. You never know. So guys, if you enjoyed the story, how about you click the subscribe button? You're going to be getting more of these very soon. Thank you very much.